Hello everyone, myself Shubham Mahesh Lavekar from 3rd year B Pharmacy from Shivaji Rao Zundar College of Pharmacy. Today my topic is soft gelatin capsule. Let us start with the introduction. What do you mean by soft gelatin capsule? It is a piece of hermetic seal or a soft gelatin cell containing liquid or the suspension and the semi-solid. Means the surrounding of the soft gelatin capsule is a solid or liquid or a semi-solid center, and active ingredients are also incorporated in outer cell, the inner fill and the both. These the oral doses form from medicinal similar to capsule. Soft gel cells are combined of gelatin, water, operifer, pacifier such as glycerin and sorbitol. Next, then advantages of soft gels. First point, easy to swallow, no taste until dose delivered, tamper proof. Second, wide variety of colors, shapes and size. Third, they are recommended widely a variety of compound, fillets, semi-solid, liquid gels or paste. They are immediately or delayed drug. They can be used to improve bioavailability to deliver drugs in other solution or substances. They are elegant. They have odor and taste masking. For example, chewable, extendable, reliable, capable can be used. Next is disadvantages of soft gels. They require special manufacture equipment. They are also water soluble materials and are difficult to incorporate. Stability concerns are very high water soluble compound and compound susceptible to hydrolysis. They are limited choices of excipients compatible with the gelatin. Highly moisturized, sensitive, effervescent material cannot be incorporated. They must cause softening or leaching. Next is the shape of the capsule. There are various types of soft gel capsule existed in the multiple form of shape depending upon the customer needs. The shape and size are depend on the company preference or any other doctor specification. There are different types of shapes such as oblong soft gel size. These types of soft gel capsule which have shape of the ellipse or the rectangular with one long end. All the angle of this capsule are of right angle. Second is round soft gel standard. These types of soft gel capsule are composed of curved line that fully enclose or space. This line is distributed from center of the capsule at every point. This type of capsule is similar to teardrops existing in different size and color. Next is oval soft gel capsule size. These types of soft gel capsule are shaped like a circle, through it wider in each end compared to the other. It reasonable the shape of an egg. Tube soft gel size. These types of soft gel capsules are round in shape, flattened to the bottom. This shape can be manufactured company preference or doctor prescription. The patient can also recommend a tube capsule cell. Next is suppository soft gel standard shapes and size. These types of soft gel capsules are bullet whose supply in the market is limited acceptable by the user. In early days, these capsules are most used in rectal and vaginal drug delivery. Furthermore, these current suppository soft gel capsules are produced in such a way they have initiated the ingredient of active pharmacies. Next one is twist of the soft gel capsule. These types are measure of dose for oral and topical means. Most of these grade ingredients are pharmaceutical indices that are briefly combined and are delivered in type of soft gel capsule. Most of the twist of soft gel capsule are extracted from sweetening most of the swill and integrals. There are also special kind of gelatin capsule size. They are of different sizes and shapes and different animals or plants, etc. Next is nature of the capsule cell. The outer cell is composed of gelatin or the starch matrix. The gelatin matrix consists of gelatin, plasticizers, solvent and optional ingredients such as flavors and colorants. These capsules are basically composed of plasticizer and water. They may contain additional ingredients such as preservative, coloring and oxidizing agent, flavoring, sugar, acid to achieve their desired effect. Most of them, the bloom strength is 150 to 250 gram, viscosity, iron content. In this there are types such as gelatin. Gelatin is a bovine protein or origin, comes in the variety of bloom strength. Most of the oil-based fill using the bloom strength of 150. When the PEG-based fills are used, at the higher bloom strength is generally used. Next is capsule cell water. In this, 45% of water ratio by weight is dry gelatin, can vary from 0.7 to 1.3 to 1.0 depending on the viscosity of the gelatin. Second is color. It is used as a darker the color of the material. Color may be natural or synthetic. Next is plasticizer. This is used to make this is a gelatin of sorbitol species. Two most common plasticizer. Glycerin is generally used in base of sorbitol pills. Sorbitol special is used to PG base. Sorbitol is soluble in PG, therefore no leach of cells can be based on the filled glycerin wood. When this is used as a soft gel, elastic and pliable, ratio is under 0.3 to 1.8 soft gel to hard to dry version. Example, glycerin and sorbitol. There are such as optional ingredients such as approve the colors and flavors. Their nature of capsule content. Also, content may be liquid or a combine of miscible or solution of solid in a liquid. Solution of solid in a liquid or suspension of the solid in a liquid. Or it can be a liquid like a volatile compound, example like pudina hara, vegetable oil like arachel oil, aromatic, hydrocarbon, ether, ester or alcohol. There are also three primary types of inner film material. Niche substances, especially oily liquid, solution fills active dissolving carrier, oil such as soybean oil and mayogel, polyethylene glycol, especially PG 400-600 gram. There are optional ingredients such as water or alcohol, 10% by non-uniform solubility, glycerin 1 to 4% of water by water regarding the migration of glycerin out, polyvinyl chloride up to 10% used in combination of phase can increase the drug solubility and also improve the stability, inhibiting the drug recognition. There are also suspension fields that active the disc phase and carry the suspension according to 30% of solid viscosity, filling up the problem. Suspension can be heated up to 35 degree or viscosity during the filling process. Suspended solid must be smaller than 80 mesh and needed by chlorine different fixing. There are also oil mixtures. Soybean oil mixes with beeswax or little improve the material flow and impact of lubrication during the filling. There are glyceride oil which is used to system composed of soybean oil. There are polyethylene glycol. There are glycerides. Glycerides are long chain fatty acid. There are optional ingredients surfactants, sorbitol derived such as polysorbate for hydrophobic drug diseases or dispersed in the oily matrix, or surfactants of HLB10 will increase the dispermeability of product in aqueous fluid and also may improve bioavailability. Hereby I conclude my session. Thank you everyone.